Here I have ACER Liquid Z6E, and let me show you how to enter and how to use the battery saver mode on that device. So at the very beginning, let's use the upper bar twice, and here let's tap the battery icon. As you can see, here we've got access to battery settings. You can read the battery usage time, you can enable the battery percentage or disable the battery percentage. You can also choose more key and choose battery saver. So to help improve the battery life, the battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location service and most background data. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still use the battery saver, let's use this switcher. As you can see, the red stripe pops up. It means that the battery saver is switched on. You can also turn on automatically the battery saver when you have the 15% of the battery, 5% of the battery, or never. In my case, let me choose never. Let me disable the battery saver. And you can also have access to battery saver by using the settings. Here, by scrolling down to device tab, choose battery, more key, and here we've got the battery saver as well. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.